We got the Lanzer Max Pro 15 subwoofers.
Oh shit!
You got a help right here?
Nah, dude, it's all you.
That's cardboard. Some more cardboard.
Gotta fix this
More
slide.
wait, the whole thing is full of cardboard. What the fuck?
Oh, that's the box right there. You have to put the subs in the cardboard.
Yeah, I have to build it out of cardboard. Oh wait. Yeah, more cardboard. Oh wait, there's a box inside of a box. This is cool.
There's more cardboard. Paid $500 for fucking cardboard.
It's actually $550.
With tape. Has tape too.
With tape. What do we got in here?
It's so cool.
I should have bought my Swiss Army knife. It cuts like butter.
Machete.
You should have.
You can see the box. Oh my god.
There's so much tape.
Someone got bored at the factory.
That's some good tape.
High industrial.
High quality.
You're gonna end up cutting this on accident.
You emo fuck.
You
You need some assistance?
Yes.
Alright.
My lovely assistant, Brandon.
And the box.
Yeah. More cardboard.
Add to the collection.
It's another box, but it's gonna have something different. Alright,
Nice.
it's huge.
I think that's wood.
Is it?
Got wood?
I saw.
Listen to what we have right now.
15-inch.
How's it look, Brandon?
It's gorgeous.
It's soft. Some wires, miscellaneous.
Wire kit.
What's the diameter on this jet?
15 inches.
15 inches.
15 inches.
He's rocking dual 15 inches.
So big that it's pointless.
Box number 2.
Box number 2.
This is the goodies right here.
2 for 1. 2 for 1. 2 boxes. Just kidding. Like 17 boxes in one video.
You should open up all these boxes and send that.
Yeah, see what happens.
It'll focus over.
He's probably like, uh-oh, what's in box number 1?
You gotta dump it. Oh.
Yo, throw it on the ground. Oh shit. What does that say? Lanzer Max Pro?
2,000.
2,000 watts? Is that what that says? And we got 2 of them?
Damn.
4,000.
4,000.
2,000 times 2.
4,000. I got confused. I'm not retarded.
Look at that. Should I open it? I'm just gonna open one of them. And then close it back up. Put it back in.
Uh-oh. Flap 1 down, flap 2 down. What about 3 and 4? 3, 4. Oh, that's what we got in the box. Just kidding.
Lanzer, bitch.
Represent.
Look at that.
Damn, that thing is huge like a big subwoofer.
Yeah, I think it's ridiculous.
That is so unnecessarily big.
gonna go deaf.
Ooh, let me see that.
Yo, one of those is enough.
Yeah, hold that
Fuck
up.
around.
Hold that up next to your head.
15 inches.
Bitch.
Ooh, damn.
Look at that. That is huge. That is just
And you got 2 of them.
That's obnoxious.
pointlessly huge. Mike! Mike!
Come take a look at my 15-incher.
Mike, you want to see my 15?
It's a 15-inch in a box. Now look at all this cardboard. Look at all this cardboard. So much unnecessary cardboard. I'm gonna go in the box. Ugh. Oh.
You're in the middle of making a planking video.
There's only one of them. That's you.
Look at him.
Why are you dressed like a freaking
Just
seagull?
stop. We're making a planking video.
Alright, how am I gonna get out of this? Yo ho,
2,000 watts. This is
2,000 watts, man.
This is my baby.
And you got twins.
No, 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 no.
Did you get an ant too or no? Oh, okay, so is this a subs to that?
Yep. Comes with an Allen key.
Oh, yeah. Lanzer. 2,000 watt subwoofer. That sums up for the review for today. See you guys next time.
Peace.